Hi, 你们好 Welcome to Ivy's Chinese lesson. Today I will teach you how to say animals and all kinds of animals in Chinese. Okay, I classify them by three groups. One group is this animal we can see in the zoo. Another group is home breeding. Another group is like seafood. Okay, the first one, lion. 狮子，狮子 ，tiger， 老虎，老虎 ，elephant， 大象，大象 ，monkey， 猴子，猴子 ，horse， 马，马 ，rabbit， 兔子，兔子。Camel, camel, 骆驼，骆驼 Giraffe, 长颈鹿，长颈鹿，长颈鹿 鹿 is deer and 长颈，长 is long, 颈 is neck 长颈鹿 long neck deer, so we call 长颈鹿，长颈鹿And this crocodile, 鳄鱼，鳄鱼，鳄鱼 And snake, snake, 蛇，蛇，蛇 And panda, 熊猫，熊猫 And bear, bear, 熊，熊This okay. Second group for home breeding, the dog, 狗，狗 cat, 猫，猫 meow and sheep, 羊，羊 cow, 牛，牛，牛鸡Chicken, 鸡，鸡 Duck, 鸭，鸭 Peking duck, 鸭 Goose, goose 鹅，鹅 And bird, 鸟，鸟，鸟 Pig, pig 猪，猪，猪 Okay, the last group, seafood Lobster, 龙虾，龙虾 And fish, 鱼，鱼，鱼，鱼 Crab, crab 螃蟹，螃蟹，螃蟹 Oyster, oyster 生蚝，生蚝 Oyster, my favorite Okay, and I want to mention that like these animals, if like we go to the restaurant, we want to order some meat from these animals. So you just say this animal and then add meat. For example, chicken is 鸡肉 and beef 牛肉 and pork 猪肉 Okay, then like this. And this mutton, 羊肉 Just add 肉 at the end. 肉 is means meat. And for the seafood is different. Seafood, same like English. When we use as a name of animal is like a lobster, crab, even. And also when we go to the restaurant, when we order food, same, still say lobster, crab. So no need to add anything, stay the same. Okay. Okay, so read it. 狮子，狮子，老虎，老虎，大象，大象，猴子。猴子，马，马，兔子，兔子，骆驼， 骆驼，长颈鹿，长颈鹿，鳄鱼，鳄鱼，狗，狗，猫，猫，羊，羊，牛，牛，鸡，鸡，鸭，鸭，鹅，鹅，鸟，鸟，猪，猪，熊猫，熊猫，熊，熊的鱼，鱼，龙虾，龙虾，螃蟹，螃蟹，生蚝，生蚝。Okay. Hope you like this lesson. Thanks for watching. 爱你们，么么哒，再见，再见，拜拜。